It's your stay-at-home mom, Sophie Chanel, and I am back with another video. Yes, you guys, it's Vlogmas, and I'm way behind, okay? Today is December 4th, I believe, so that means this should be Vlogmas Day 4. Sis is on the struggle train, boat, bus, you name it. You name it. But I do have some exciting news. Today I woke up this morning, hopped on a flight, and booked myself, or I didn't book myself, I found myself booked and flew out to a location that I'm going to show you guys. So this Vlogmas series is just going to be about consistency. So from here today moving forward, I'm just going to try to post as consistently as possible. Sorry, that was housekeeping dropping off some goodies for me. So it's going to be about consistency. So it may not necessarily all be a Christmas theme, but it's going to be on brand for consistency. And that's my objective, my goal. I feel like my channel grew in the initial stage when I first started my YouTube channel because of doing Vlogmas. I think I did like every other day or every 2 days. So this time I'm just gonna try to be as consistent as possible. Definitely try to bring some content that you guys would like or appreciate, and also some that kind of pushes me outside of just like hair and beauty content, but some more lifestyle type things. So we're gonna start with a room tour of the hotel where I am staying, and I don't know if I'm gonna be coming back at the end of this, but just in case I'm not, thank you so much for watching. And if you are ever in the Fort Lauderdale area, be sure you check out this hotel because it is really nice. Yeah, and that's it for today's vlog. Be sure to check out the tour. All right, so here we are. Here's the door, and this is the entryway. And here you have the hallway, mirror, some decor here. And then you turn over this way and you head into the guest bath, which in my case, I am the guest. And so you have the mirror here. You have another painting that's really nice. Toilet area and shower, which this is a spacious shower. It also has like the rainfall shower head, which I love. So we keep walking, go this way, and we have our dining area, or not dining area, have our living room area. So this is the living room. I love this decor, very nice. Love this lamp, and look, ocean views. I love it. Here we have our TV, phone over in the corner over there with my charger. But I love this lamp. And then here we have the bar area with the bar stools. I love this sign, babe, rest and relax. You're amazing and deserve this. We love you. The concierge just dropped off some chocolate covered strawberries. I'm here for it. And over here we have our little breakfast nook. If I pull this back, I'm sure I could probably get some more lighting over here. But this is the breakfast nook. More artwork, full kitchen, which your girl will not be cooking, but I love having a full kitchen, especially since I'm pumping. It's great to be able to store my breast milk there. Then we'll head over into the bedroom. And this is the bed. The nightstands are over here. Then over here, not there, over here, we have the television set and the desk. Then if you keep coming this way, we have the closet, which I already put my things in. And then over here is the bathroom. So we have the shower here, toilet over there. I really like that they have this cabinet here to store things in. Mirror, which is huge and lit, which I love. His and hers sinks, or in my case, hers and hers. And then over here we have a nice little sitting area. This is where you can sit when you want to put on your lotion. The tub with some jets. And again, the view. So far, you guys, I am loving my hotel. Babe did an amazing job picking this out. But one of the best and my favorite things about this room or suite is the balcony. Like, seriously. It's the views for me. This balcony is huge. It's pretty much wrap around. Like, right here, ocean front. And like I said, it's wrap around. I can come over here. I have views of the pool down here. Pardon the wind. And then if I keep going, still really great views. Come right here. And it leads back into the bedroom. So y'all, I love the sound of the ocean. So if this curtain will stay back, this breeze and sound from the ocean at night while I'm in bed is gonna be amazing. I'll check back in with y'all later. And I, in fact, did not check back in with you guys later. That is the end of today's vlog. If you would do me a huge favor, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're not, and like this video. Thanks for watching.